Here's Pika Labs Text video tutorial. Here's how you can create AI videos from text. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create AI videos from text exactly step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end and not miss any single step. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So as you can see, I'm in Discord server of Pika. So that's the way that you can join Pika. So if you don't know Pika, it basically is a AI prompt generator which can generate pics for you that you desire, any type of picture. So as you can see, there are many people wanting to design some Christmas art, and they're designing some videos. So yeah, let's jump into it. I'm gonna show you how you can make videos from text. So yeah, first of all, you got two options. So I'm gonna explain. You can do it publicly. You can make your stuff publicly, just like this. And as you can see, people are making their stuff online, and you can either do it privately. So how do you do it privately? So doing it privately is very simple. As you can see, when you jump into the server, you will see Pika bot. So just press on Pika, and here you will see the option of message. So you can either add their app, as you can see. You can add their app to their server, to your own servers too. But we're not here for this today. We'll do it on some other day when we are making our own server, and I'm going to show you a whole tutorial about it. But yeah, once you see this, just press on this and just straight up message Pika. And as you can see the option of message at Pika. Just press something, and I've already messaged Pika, so I'm not gonna message again. But once you message it, I'm gonna show you how you can just press something and press enter. So it just straight up take you to the DMs, and as you can see, you're here. So what you have to do is you can just press slash, and it will give you this option. So in this option, you as you can see, you get many options right over here. You get the option of create, encrypt image, animate. So we're not just gonna use any of these options. We're just gonna press create. So this video is gonna be fully detailed explanation of how you can make text videos. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you a few examples, then I'm gonna show you how actually it works. So first of all, let's just write in a guy playing basketball. All right, it's as simple as that. And you can add more detail to it. It's up to you. Just like, and it's a rainy day. All right. So once you do that, you can either add more detail to it. Just like the video should be 4K. It should be or it should be cartoonish. Let's say, all right, cartoon, all right, and 3D. All right, I just press enter and see what we get. As you can see, my video is generating. So all I'm doing this is in private, but in this speaker, you cannot do it privately. Other people can see your content too, and they might be able to download. So yeah, you can do it publicly too, and as you can see, you get 10 generative sections right over here. But here you can do it your own privately. So let's just wait until our video gets here. Yeah, let's just wait. Yeah, it's supposed to take like 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe some downtime or not. But we're just gonna wait until it's fully here, cause AI it's doing its own. And as you can see, we got the picture and it's looking pretty accurate. And as you can see, it's actually a guy playing basketball, and it's actually a rainy day, and it's cartoonish 3D. So yeah, that I like it pretty much. So let's say you don't like this, all right? You got something from Pika, but you don't like it. So what you can do is you can just press this option. It's this little emoji right over here. Once you press this, it will do another generating video, but I'm gonna show you all what it does. All right? You watch and wait what it does. It could take a more like few seconds. We're just gonna wait until it's fully loaded up. So yeah, bear with me, guys. So it's loading up. Let us check other people's art and let's get an idea from them what they are loading up. But yeah, never mind, we got this. So as you can see, we got a whole different art. So that's what I was trying to explain, that you could get something like this. And another thing that I wanted to explain is you could just copy this again, all right? And again, press slash and create and do the same prompt, all right? Paste. But in the end, just put in AR. These two, 1 by 1, all right? Just like this. And let's see what we get. I was gonna wait. What is gonna show us? Until then, we're just gonna see what other people are doing. All right. As you can see, a young resistance man carrying a rocket launcher targeting. So it depends on the detail that you give to the AI. And as you can see, slow motion, make everything comes to life. Camera pan up. And as you can see, the video is in slow motion and everything looks very realistic. And it depends on your detail, guys. I'm gonna be simple, and as you can see, people are like, take juicy burger with ice cold Coke in a glass, and as you can see, people are just basically doing stuff, which is pretty cool, and I like it pretty much. And as you can see, they're doing like a lot of like detail stuff. So let's just check if our thing is there. And as you can see, yeah, we got it again. And there's another guy playing basketball. Yeah, I like the concept. So let's just try a few different more things. So this was cartoonish. And let's say if you want something realistic and you want something in 4K. So let's just type in a slash again and press create. All right. Once you do this, you just have to type in the details. So I was telling you all earlier that everything depends on details. So you must go for the details. All right. So we're just gonna type in the same detail, but differently. We're just gonna type in, let's say, Superman flying. All right, in space. All right, that's a small detail that I gave. Now let's just give it a resolution. I'm just gonna tell it should be 4K, realistic, and what should we write more details? And we should write yeah, that I think that's enough, 4K and realistic. So let's just see how it gets through. Just gonna wait again. I know, guys, it takes a while to load up, but let me explain something more. As you can see, that you get Pika Labs right over here. And if you don't know how to download it, it's basically really easy. And you see this download option right over here. You just press it and you will get the download. But as you can see, I was telling you guys about this Pika Labs watermark. So you can remove the watermark with when you buy the paid version. So that's basically the free version. Once you get the paid version, you won't get any watermarks. And the other perk of the paid version is that you don't get any wait times. So in this free version, as you can see, we are waiting for like 1 to 2 minutes, and as you can see, it loaded up. And yeah, it's looking pretty realistic, guys, and I won't lie, realistic with 4K, it's looking pretty good, guys. So let's just load up one more. I'm gonna show you this shuffle option. So as you can see, you can change the detail right over here. So in here, you can put in more details to it, just like Superman. All right, and we're just gonna replace 4K with Pixar, and we're just gonna leave realistic and see what result we get. It's very imaginative. So let's just wait how we get this one. So this was the last option that I was going to explain. So let us see how it goes through. Yeah, it could take a while. There we go. Yeah, and our object is fighting and it's Pixar, but we didn't got what we wanted. So what we could do, reshuffle and we will get. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can create text from text to AI videos. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and that's it for this video. So yeah, peace out until then.